Hey everyone, this is Jay from Iconic Classic Motors, and today we're here with the 2004 Chevy Corvette Coupe. It is powered by the LS1 5.7 liter V8. It shows 81,000 miles on it. It is an automatic transmission, has chrome wheels, memory package, repainted, looks to be, just because there's some spots, and I'll show you that. Chrome front wheel. It has glass roof panel that shows some fade on it. Not sure if that could be wet sanded out and buffed. I didn't try. It looks like somebody tried to do something on it. But I didn't want to try. I didn't try anything because I didn't want to make it any worse than what it is. So. The exterior here is in really good shape. Does show some scratches and stuff on it, but other than that, it is in really good shape. Some factory exhaust is 100% stock. Shifts through all the gears smooth. Starts up on the first shot with no smoke or vibrations. Memory package, power mirrors. Driver's seat's in really good shape. Does have factory floor mats. Factory radio. Owner's manual. Does have heads-up display, but that does not work. Trunk. Shows some wear on the carpet there. Does have the cover here. This car is a great driver quality car, so if it was one that you want to get into and drive daily, you could do it. Passenger seat, passenger door, show you that everything works on it. Pop the hood here. Has been Missouri State inspected, both emissions and safety. Has passed and is ready to go. A little bit of the insulation on the hood is starting to deteriorate. Show you that everything works here. Radio works. This is driver window. Mirrors. Driver mirror. Passenger mirror. Down, up, passenger window, down, up, driver's seat, it does raise. And lowers. Memory package here, I'll show you that that works. Memory package works. Start it up. Let it build oil pressure. Just got it back from the shop. No smoke, sounds good. A little bit of a belt squeak, but nothing alarming. You want to see the inside of the top here, you can see that. So now let's go take her for a spin. Well, let's do the headlights and stuff like that so you can see those. Close that up. Fog lights. So let's take her for a drive. All right, let's take the 2004 Chevy Corvette Coupe for a drive. First to second shift. Second to third, and third to fourth. Very smooth. Stop here. Brakes feel good. No clunks. Very smooth downshifts. So please let us know if you have any questions about this vehicle. We are happy to answer anything we know. You feel free to give us a call or text us at the number listed below. This concludes the drive video of the 2004 Chevy Corvette Coupe. Thanks for watching.